Hi and welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a fishbone stitch. So I'm just going to start on this sleeve here. If you start at the very top and you're just going to follow that center line and just do a normal sized stitch so far down. And then all we're going to do is we are going to start right next to, slightly down, but next to where we brought it up originally. And you're going to be going over in a sort of crisscross pattern. So envision this straight line, or you can draw it on yourself if you have a friction pen or a pencil. Just that's the straight line. And you're just going to work on opposite sides each time on each side. So we've started here and I'm just going to go diagonally just across to here. And then start on the other side. Again, slightly down, but near where you started. And then you're just going to cross over that line again. Try and keep it level with the one you've just done. And then just keep alternating, but following the outline shape when you bring it up. So that they are crisscrossing each other on a slight down diagonal. Don't worry if it's not perfect or anything like that. This is just so you can purely learn the technique. So when you get near the bottom, just try and keep in the shape by just hitting around the same spot, just so you can keep the shape of the leaf. Just making sure that when you get to the bottom, it hits this little stem so it looks like it's growing out of the stem. Like that. And that is how you do a fishbone. So I am now going to continue doing that for all these other leaves. So once you've finished the leaves of the fishbone stitch, I just wanted to say as well, if you get a leaf such as, where is it? This one. So you can see on this side that it's longer, like these are longer than this. So all I did was continue the stitches on just on one side. So don't try and worry about, fitting loads of little stitches in here to make them cross over. Just continue the stitches on the longer side. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do a few little split stitches. This is totally optional. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. All I'm doing is taking the darker green, and we have covered this in the previous video, so I'm just going to go in and do 2 little stitches like that on each leaf, just to create that sort of stem on the leaf. If you're happy with how it is, that's fine. And that is the end of this pattern.